Welcome to the MELube application guide from Think and Tinker Limited. This video will cover the uses of MELube, safety precautions to observe while using MELube, and a basic application guide of using MELube in your mechanical etching operation. MELube improves your mechanical etching process in several ways. First and foremost, MELube helps create cleaner, more precise cuts in your copper-clad substrate. It improves tool lifetime by reducing friction and wear at the cutting edge of the bit. It virtually eliminates burrs and shorts that would otherwise result from the smearing and tearing of the copper under dry cutting conditions, and it greatly reduces the inhalation hazard from harmful airborne particulates associated with dry cutting fiberglass substrates. Overall, MELube greatly improves the quality and safety of your mechanical etching process. Before using MELube on your mechanical etching project, please ensure that 1. The substrate is securely attached to the work surface. 2. The mechanical etching bit is properly installed in the collet and is ready to cut. 3. The Z-axis of your CNC has been properly zeroed. Once all of these things are in place, you may then apply the MELube to the copper-clad surface. In short, applying the lube should be the very last step you take before running the toolpath and finally cutting out your circuit. The following are some basic safety precautions to observe while using MELube. Always wear suitable gloves when working with MELube. Disposable latex and nitrile gloves have been tested and are compatible with the lube. Make sure that the spindle is off and clear of the application area before attempting to apply the lube to the working surface. Wear eye protection during any engraving operation. Do not ingest MELube and do not reuse MELube after the cutting operation is complete. Step 1. Surface preparation. Apply 10 to 20 drops of MELube to the surface of the copperclad before cutting. Wipe the surface clean using a mildly abrasive cloth such as a paper towel. This cleaning allows the MELube to wet the surface of the copperclad better later on in the cutting process. It does this by removing oil and dirt from the surface of the copperclad. Step 2. Covering your work area. Now that you've completed the cleaning as detailed in the previous step, take the MELube bottle and flood the center of the intended cut area with MELube. Distribute the fluid evenly across the work surface using either the tip of your gloved finger or a small cloth. Now that the surface of the copperclad is clean, you should notice the fluid wets the surface evenly and forms a consistent opaque layer. If there are any holes or patches in the layer that go unfilled, take the bottle and apply extra fluid as needed directly to the surface of the copperclad. Once this is finished, you are finally ready to etch.